Old doctors trusted this blend, olive oil and baking soda. Here's how it cured 12 ailments in 48 hours. Joint pain relief applied to sore joints. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties and baking soda's alkalinity soothe pain. Acne fighter, use on pimples. Olive oil nourishes, baking soda cleanses, reducing breakouts fast. Dark spots, massage daily. Olive oil lightens, baking soda exfoliates for clearer skin. Cracked heels, coat feet overnight. Olive oil softens, baking soda removes dead skin. Whitened teeth, brush gently. Baking soda removes stains. Olive oil strengthens enamel. Sinus relief, inhale steam with a blend for instant nasal relief. Insect bites, apply to reduce itching. Olive oil soothes, baking soda calms. Nail fungus, rub on nails. Antifungal properties work quickly. Constipation, take a teaspoon of olive oil with a bit of baking soda. Bruises, dab the mix on bruises. Olive oil heals, baking soda fades them. Eczema, apply on irritated areas. Olive oil hydrates, baking soda soothes. Wrinkles, massage onto fine line. Olive oil hydrates, baking soda exfoliates. Try this remedy now. If you're impressed, hit like and share your thoughts.